Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bio-Dex Plaster White N Brite. What is Bio-Dex Plaster White N Brite? The Bio-Dex Plaster White N Brite product is a specially formulated additive for a plaster pool acid wash solution that is intended to eliminate calcium, copper, and other organic and metal stains on the walls of the pool. The White N Brite additive helps the acid wash mixture's fumes not smell so harsh. It also helps thicken the acid wash so that it can cling to the walls in order for it to clean deeper, so that it can once again look like a new pool. Product benefits: helps make an extremely stained plaster pool look brand new, thickens the acid wash solution for a deeper clean, reduces the fumes of the acid wash solution, removes calcium, copper, and other organic and metal stains. Usage directions: always add acid to water, never add water to acid. Wear protective eyewear and a mask when handling the acid wash solution. This product is intended to be used after the pool has been drained. Keeping the product warm will provide for easier mixing. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.